Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about vertigo and dizziness, home treatments. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Although some over-the-counter medications are available to treat dizziness, sometimes medication is not required, especially when natural remedies are effective without any side effects and relieve dizziness well. When a person becomes dizzy, the first thing that should be done is to sit down immediately to reduce the risk of injury if they fall. In addition, dizziness can be a sign of an underlying disease or several different disorders. Dizziness may recur over and over again until the underlying cause is identified, and then to be treated. If you often have dizziness, you should consult your doctor to determine the root cause. If this is the first time this problem has occurred to you, watch the video until the end, and try the remedies that are mentioned in it. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Dizziness. Dizziness is a term used to describe a feeling of fainting or lightheadedness to a feeling of weakness and instability. Dizziness can limit a person's activities and make them feel sick. Although medication is available to treat dizziness, it is not always necessary, especially when natural remedies can work well without side effects. Dizziness is a feeling of dizziness and confusion that occurs with or without any movement and occurs when the brain feels that the body is out of balance, even if it is not. When you feel dizzy, you should sit down immediately to reduce the chance of injury if you fall. Dizziness is usually a sign of a latent illness or several different illnesses. Dizziness is one of the most common causes for adults to see a doctor. But it rarely has a serious cause and can be treated with simple solutions. But vertigo is different from dizziness. Vertigo causes you to feel that you are either spinning or moving around. This condition is called vertigo. Treatment for vertigo depends on your cause and symptoms but is usually effective. Symptoms may last anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours and may come and go. Home remedies for dizziness. Dizziness can be managed with a variety of home remedies such as ginger tea. Research published in the journal Acupuncture and Tuina Science shows that ginger root can reduce the effects of dizziness better than some over-the-counter medications. Ginger root can be brewed in a cup of boiling water for 5 minutes. If you don't like its taste, honey can help tolerate the bitter taste of ginger. Drinking ginger tea twice a day may help relieve dizziness, nausea, and other symptoms of vertigo. Almond. Almonds are a rich source of vitamins A, B, and E. Eating a handful of almonds a day can help improve the symptoms of dizziness. How almonds affect dizziness is unknown, but the vitamin content of almonds may combat the causes of vertigo. Keep the body hydrated. Dehydration can cause symptoms of dizziness, even if the dehydration is mild. Staying hydrated can help minimize dizziness and balance problems. The body needs 8 to 12 cups of fluid a day. Although this amount includes all fluids, water is the best option because it is low in calories and caffeine and is not a diuretic. Diuretics increase the amount of water and salt that the body excretes as urine. Essential oils. A variety of essential oils, if used topically or inhaled, may help reduce the symptoms of dizziness. Essential oils are natural and affordable options for managing the symptoms of dizziness, including nausea, headache, and dizziness. Some of the options available for managing dizziness include essential oils of peppermint, ginger, lavender, and lemon. Essential oils are inhaled through a fumigator or diluted in a carrier oil before topical use. You may need to try different oils to find the best way to relieve your dizziness symptoms. Apple cider vinegar and honey. Apple cider vinegar and honey are believed to have healing properties to improve blood flow to the brain. 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar can prevent the symptoms of vertigo and also treat the symptoms. Signs. In addition to feeling unbalanced or dizzy, dizziness can also lead to the following symptoms: nausea or vomiting, abnormal eye movements, headache, sweating, ear ringing, tinnitus, hearing loss, binoculars, Lack of coordination in movements. Weakness of the arm or leg. What causes dizziness? BPPV is the most common type of vertigo. Increased and accumulated deposits in the inner ear create BPPV. The inner ear is responsible for balancing the body. With BPPV, certain movements may cause dizziness and a tingling sensation for a short time. Dizziness is a common benign seizure condition. According to researchers at Columbia University in the UK, the disease has a prevalence of 2.4%. 2.4% of people have been infected at least once. And also according to a 2014 report in the Journal of Advances in Otolaryngology, BPPV recurs 50% of the time. Other conditions that may cause dizziness include common cold viruses. Common colds can cause ear inflammation. This type of dizziness usually goes away in a few days but may come back. Head or neck injury. Dizziness is a common symptom after a head or neck injury. Dizziness related to neck or head injuries tends to go away, but it can be debilitating and persistent. In this condition, you should see a doctor as soon as possible. Stroke. According to the American Stroke Association, a person who has had a stroke may experience dizziness, including symptoms of dizziness and severe imbalance. Vestibular neuritis. A condition that affects the vestibulocochlear nerve in the inner ear. This nerve is responsible for balance and head positioning signals. When a nerve becomes inflamed, the brain misinterprets the state of balance and the position of the head. Meniere's disease. Meniere's disease affects the hearing of one ear. The disease causes symptoms of dizziness, tinnitus or ringing in the ears, hearing loss, and a feeling of fullness in the ear. Some people with Meniere's disease have severe dizziness that causes them to lose their balance and fall. Treatment. Dizziness often goes away without treatment because the brain can compensate for changes in the inner ear in order to restore balance. Medications, including steroids, can reduce inflammation of the inner ear, and diuretics can reduce fluid production. For people who have frequent dizziness, a type of rehabilitation called atrial fibrillation can be helpful. Atrial rehabilitation stimulates the central nervous system to compensate for inner ear problems. When to see a doctor? Anyone with recurrent dizziness should see a doctor. For most people, dizziness is not usually harmful, but the root cause needs to be identified. Your doctor may also prescribe medications and other treatments to reduce symptoms, especially if home remedies are not helpful. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.